Today I'm going to show you how to set up your hotkeys in OBS. Come down over here to settings on the bottom right hand side. You can actually also access it from file, settings, and come down here to hotkeys. Now, this is probably one of the easiest things to do, and it makes your life so convenient. When I start screen recording, when I record my videos, I hold in control and I tap on this button over here. This is a key combination that's easy for me to tap on with my left hand, and it is also accessible with one hand access, so I can use two fingers quite easily. Also, this is a very uncommon key combination, so it is the key that's just to the left of your number 1 on the main part of your keyboard. So this is for me how I start and stop my recordings. Now, as you go down, whichever action over here you would like to actually change and add a hotkey to, you can do so. Right, let us take something practical. Let's say you want to switch scenes. Go in here, click on this, and now choose a key combination. I am going to use Alt and the number 3 because it's easy for me to tap. And now all you have to do is click on Apply. And once you have done all of this, then you'll be able to quickly navigate through your keyboard to do everything that you would like to do without having to go ahead, look for the setting, click on it, and apply it each time.